Good day traders once again, and as we promised, we're coming up today with the euro versus the United States dollar, the long-term outlook. And before we get started, I would like to remind you all the information in this video is for educational purpose only, should not be considered as a financial advice. And if you're watching this video and still haven't subscribed, do it right away, click that notification bell, follow the videos that we do every single day. So what is so major happening with the euro versus the dollar? And this is actually quite a strong uptrend which has been going during the past 3 days. We can see these bullish daily candles. This is the daily time frame, by the way. So 3 bullish candle price went from 1.1925 up until the current price, which is 121.48. So this is a 215 pips growth during the past 3 days. So quite a substantial move. And if we take this low that has been produced exactly a month ago, so this would have been a 550 pip move to the upside. Quite a big move considering this range trading that has been going for 3 or 4 months. Finally, euro versus dollar is starting to move, and many wonder what is next, how far up can it go, whether it will reverse or whether it will continue. So there are a lot of questions, and now let's have a technical perspective of what is actually happening. First off, guys, I do see that this is a very bullish trend for the euro dollar, which is highly likely to continue. But there are a few obstacles that we need to watch before this major trend continues. First, we have the average price uptrend trend line, because there was support, resistance. So we had multiple bounces right there. And now we're facing this resistance, this trend line resistance, which might be starting to invite sellers. But at the same time, what we have also is the Fibonacci applied to this corrective move down, where we have 2 Fibonacci levels, 161.8 and 261.8. It is possible that the price will continue to move slowly up and then hit 161.8 fibs before and if there will be a correction to the downside. On the other hand, it is possible that the price will start correcting right now because we are already at the trend line resistance. So there could be this correction because trend has been quite strong and I think it needs some rest. There could be this pullback. So unless we break above 161.8 fibs, there should be this downside correction. But still, it is a very bullish trend. I have applied fibs to just see when could be the next wave, either up or down. And I have applied it to this corrective move, last correction down, where we see price has rejected the middle of the ascending channel. So this Fibonacci cycle indicator was applied through these 2 points, which is high and low. And what we see is cycles. Here is one cycle down, next cycle up. Then the next cycle is expected to start on December 26. So this is about 3 weeks from now. And all these 3 weeks, there could be either an uptrend or a downtrend. Well, it's not a downtrend, a corrective move to the downside before the major rally starts or continues. So this is now an important point in time for the euro dollar to see whether it will continue and will break above 161.8 fibs at 122.60ish. So this is an extremely strong resistance and we need to see the daily close above for the price to continue going higher. But for now, as long as this trend line is being rejected, I would expect a downside correction. How far this correction could take us? Well, this is a big question, good question, but let's see. This is the nearest support, obviously, the previously made high at 1.2 psychological level, very strong psychological level. This could be the case where price will be rejecting this support. Now, I have also 2 other fibs, 78.6 and 88.6. Why they have chosen is because previously they acted as the resistance, as the support. So supply demand zone, very good level to watch. Besides, it corresponds to the middle trend line of the ascending channel, and it also goes in line kind of with the cycle. At the same time, we can go slightly lower towards 1.1860, which is also previously was the supply zone. Supply, and could be the demand. So this is the area that I would expect price to test between 1.1860 and 1.19 as the end of the correction. At the same time, we might not go that much and price could be rejecting this support. All in all, this is a very, very bullish trend for the euro, and at some point it should continue. So break above the fibs here should push price up, and next cycle we could be already at 126.60 area. If the correction will take place, I think the next cycle will be bullish, not bearish like I would expect from here, and then it will take quite a bit of time, 2 or 3 more months for the trend to finish, and this is when the next cycle starts. So it's February 18th, and it corresponds with the top of our ascending channel. So we have the resistance trend line, uptrend trend line, which corresponds with our target and corresponds with the Fibonacci cycle. Basically, this is the expectancy for the euro dollar. Now about the downside, what I see, the critical point that has to be watched is this low here. This is previously established low, and if euro dollar will break below, this means that the lower lows are starting to appear, and this will invalidate the bullish forecast. So this low is extremely important to watch at 117.42, 40ish, and if it gets broken, this will be a downtrend. Before that, if price will goes down, it will be only a corrective move. And we still need to see some sort of rejection because there is no confirmation that that trend line has been rejected. Next few days should be very important. If the trend line is broken, we need to see the fibs and then channel. So all in all, it's a bullish trend. Just don't get me wrong. I don't expect price to reverse down. I think that the best opportunity could be on the strong pullback downside correction, because now it's a very dangerous for buyers, I think, to get in, and fixing profits before the non-farm payroll, which is tomorrow, is a good idea because people want to get out of the risk. So fixing profit means that there will be more sellers than buyers and price will just drop substantially. Just my personal opinion, maybe I'm wrong, maybe it will skyrocket tomorrow. We will see, of course. In either case, if there will be a correction, it's a good for buyers, and if it's gonna go up, it's also good for buyers. It's just about where was your entry for this buy setup. And guys, in the previous video, I just missed the dollar-yen analysis. We went through everything, but not the dollar-yen, so I just want to quickly run up. This was the forecast for the dollar-yen, and what we see currently, we are testing this support, producing a potential double bottom. Does look pretty bearish, but now considering that the euro dollar could be going down, I don't know, maybe it's a dollar gonna push it. If so, the dollar yen could be going up. Besides, we have a pound yen to the upside, and for this reason I think this should be the end of this. So I'm stopping this forecast. This could be the potential double bottom. So that's it. It still went quite a bit from the point where we published the analysis. I think it was around this price or right there somewhere. So yeah, I'm closing the chart for the dollar yen. Hope you enjoyed it. And also I hope you enjoyed the euro versus dollar analysis, because this is one of the top pairs that is traded around the world. So thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed it, many likes, and of course subscribe to our channel to follow the videos we do every single day: education, market analysis, and live trade examples. I will see you all tomorrow with new analysis. Take care and profits to you.